hit the notification bell. And thank you so much for the new subs. Welcome to the family. I really appreciate your support, guys. It doesn't go unnoticed, by the way. Thank you so much for those who have been commenting, those who have been liking my videos and also sharing. Thank you. Welcome to the family for the new subscribers once again. So I'm here with a full house tour. I know I've given you some house tour, like 2 videos, but I want to do another one. I think a final review of how my house looks like since I bought some few things, and then we see how it goes for the new month. So by the way, let me not say it, acha tubaki hapo. So we are almost getting monetized, so do the honors of watching the other videos, and don't forget to subscribe. I know my voice is always low when it comes to I posting the videos zikitokea. I don't know why, but I'll get a new phone, I promise. Watch, like, na bado when we get monetized, don't forget to watch the ads. So let's get the video going. So the first thing that you'll meet up while getting into my house is this curtain. So this one I'll see it change very soon. I can't lie to you guys, because before you find a good curtain enye nafika mpaka hapo and affordable one, it's so hard and it's too expensive, by the way. So there's my mopper and my 3 jerry cans. So over here I have this doormat. I got it from Kawangware. So I also got myself a TV stand, although I didn't vlog it. But I decided to get a TV stand, before getting a TV. We are manifesting for a 55-inch. Hello! We are manifesting for a 55-inch TV. So I was like, because I want something like big, okay, and good quality, I was like, let me just get a TV stand before I get the good money ni buy your TV. So over here, this one I was gifted by my friend. She's also a subscriber and a follower of my content. She really supports my content, by the way. Thank you so much, Mama. I know she will watch this one. Thank you so much. So this one, this system, I did a video of I unboxing it. Nilinunua ilikuanga last month, I think on May. Yeah, May. And that's how it looks. So my TV, this TV stand iko na mlango mbili, although I haven't put anything inside. So I will figure out later, but as long as it's in my house, there's no problem. So that's how it looks like. By the way, I was playing music. Nika stop because of this video, but it has a good sound, by the way. I'll recommend that one. So over here, I have put this bucket. It has water na vitu zangu za kuoshea manguo. There's that brush and pegs, and also kuna omo hapo. So this is the thing, this space I want to put artificial plant. Okay, I want to buy an artificial plant niweke hapo, because I want that place to look so beautiful. I know that space can look so beautiful with an artificial plant. Hizi zingine, okay, I can get that natural. I don't know ni natural plant ama, but mi kumwagia maji kila siku no. So let me just get an artificial plant, then I'll show you guys how it will look like. Hiyo bucket nitatoa hapo. So over here, I did change where my shoe rack was. It was over this side, but nikamua kuiweka here. So there's no much changes over here. My Bible, my glasses, mafuta. This is a makeup bag. So you gonna makeup zangu, although I don't put makeup that much, but at least I have some makeup. Over here, bags bado ziko on the same place. Also my shoes, although sina viatu mob. I'm planning to be buying shoes this month, but sina pressure ya viatu, because mina viatu, I don't travel that much, so I think sinanga interest ya viatu that. So this side, it's where I've put my laundry basket. Iko na nguo chafu, I won't open it, but I think it looks so beautiful over there, sindio? Compared to the fact that that basket was being used to put my clean clothes. Oh God, God is so good. Hey, so guys, that is where it is. And then we got a new wardrobe. So I did a video of this one, although it wasn't that good, but look at it. Look at that beautiful babe. There you go. Look at it. So nilinunua patu Kabiria, for those who have been asking on my TikTok page. Yeah, I don't know if they've watched this one, but I hope so. So nilinunua, and I'm so happy and grateful to God, because hey, hangers zangu finally they have gotten their work, because zilikuwanga to stored somewhere. So that's how it looks. Although sija arrange mango vizuri, but I'll do that later. But that's how it looks like. So shura kilkwanga hapa. Then I was to put this one over that side, but it wasn't coming through because I think of this TV stand. It was going to look like it's too much on this side. But nikaamua kuitoa hapo. Yo shurak nieke this wardrobe. Let me show you. So you see, it's not that much ikikuwa hivyo na shurak, but this one it was going to be too much. So hizi ni nguo zangu za kuuza. By the way, I do sell clothes. Muni support. Okay, so also this doormat nilinunua Kawangware, same to the other one. So this the other one iko chini ya kitanda. So that's my bed. When you move to that side, you'll find my bed. So the duvet nilinunua Kamkunji at Prolific Carpets. Hii hapa nilinunua Kawangware thrifts. Inaitwa Think twice. It was going for 200 bob by the way, and it's big. Nikifungua sai, it's not that big, but for 200 shillings, it's worth it. So I have my 2 pillows that I got from Kawangware, and also this throw pillow nilinunua Kawangware. My 2 arts, I got them from town. I can't remember the place, but nilinunua town, and if you walk around, you'll find so many of them. So you can just decide to get one for yourself. You see? Yeah. So over here I have my dummy. I've told you guys I sell clothes. Imagine this dress, it's going for 300 bob. Utakosa kufika bei. Even though financial bill tuna reject, yeah, it's still beautiful. Look at it. It's going for 300 shillings. I'll put my number on the notification, like the description box, so that mnaweza chukua huko. So this carpet I got also from Prolific Carpets. Yeah. Over this side, it's where my kitchen is. There's no much change over this side. There's no much change. I just have my so there's my apron iko hapa. Nimehang kutoka huko mpaka hapa. Then I have my spices, although si mob. Yeah. And then this one ni ya kushikilia vitamba za kupanguza vyombo and other things. Nimeziosha ziko nje. So over here I also don't have so much. These are my chapatis and my stew. And yeah, my kitchen. Haina vitu more by the way. So this one got spoiled. Nataka kuipeleka kwa fundi. This one isn't mine, but the person who owns it aitumiangi. Na me I can't take a cold bath, by the way. I can't. Acha kukiwa kajejo, it's so hard for me to do it. So over here I have my water ya kutumia kuosha vitunguu, ama if I want to wash my hands while starting to cook, but imeisha, I have to refill it. And over there I have my dustbin and my dustpan and my brush. So I think that's it for now. That's it. Our window is over here. If I open, the light is going to be too much. My toothbrush, my Colgates. This is a gratitude jar. Iki. So yeah, that's it. So guys, that's how my house looks like. Let me give you a 360, Emma. Yeah, let me give you a 360.